right, some breaking news now coming in, and some action has finally been taken by the pollution panel. This after the top court intervention and criticism in this case. Now the pollution panel has acted. This is the Commission for Air Quality Management. They have now deployed flying squads, and this move is to check stubble burning in the states of Haryana and Punjab. So the anti-pollution panel finally acts after prodding by the Supreme Court. Top court had slammed the panel for inaction. In fact, had said that be more active and file better compliance report over steps that it has taken to control pollution and stubble burning. So now flying squads in 16 districts of Punjab, and flying squads will be active in 10 districts of Haryana. Let's go across to Ishika now for more. So Ishika, after that criticism from the Supreme Court, the pollution panel finally acting, and this is as we're going into what's known as the pollution season here in Delhi.
Well, yes, certainly now we are seeing that after Supreme Court came down heavily on CAQM, now finally some steps are being taken by the CAQM. And in fact, today CAQM has informed that it will be deploying flying squads of CPCB to monitor actions, regarding the stubble burning in the states of Punjab and Haryana, so that the numbers can reduce and it can be prevented. Now, in fact, 16 districts of Punjab and in 10 districts of Haryana, these flying squads are going to be deployed, and these are going to be deployed from today itself, that is the 1st of October to 30th of November, because generally during this time, the number of stubble burning cases are higher. Not just that, in fact, the role of this, flying squad will also be to coordinate with the state governments here. Because remember, while hearing this case, the top court had also asked that if only passing directions is the only job of CAQM. So there also, this decision has been taken to coordinate with the state government so that the implementation can be done on the ground, the enforcement can be done on the ground. Now, more than this, let me also tell you that the monitoring center is also going to be set, made in Mohali to monitor all of these situations, because we do know for a fact that stubble burning continues to be a major reason for pollution. So certainly now CAQM finally taking some steps to reduce the stubble burning in the states of Punjab and Haryana. Over to you.
That's right. Finally, the anti-pollution panel acting after the Supreme Court rap. Thanks so much, Ishika, for joining us with those details.